Oh, hey Jasper. So, the search committee keeps bugging me. They're still waiting on the email of your reference letter. That's this new thing they're trying, so...
Jasper, there you are. Alright, I have these data. I want you to take a look at them. Not really sure how to interpret them, but I think it's exciting. Oh, well, if that's how you feel about it.
Jasper, there is an issue with my visa. They were supposed to renew it for next year, and apparently they're gonna have a 3 months delay.